agents aren't classified.
His fiancée was raped and murdered.
I'm very sorry, but that's a civilian matter, unrelated to the agency.
Her parents said that Jamal Islamia had made death threats.
I doubt that.
Why is that?
Foreign nationalists sneaking into this country to assassinate an agent's girlfriend? It's rather far-fetched.
Stephen Dashiell didn't think so. He said he was under a fatwa and he was worried about her being targeted.
I suggest you discuss those concerns with Mr. Dashiell.
Great. Why don't you tell us what reasons prior to the event?
Sorry, detectives, I wish I could.
Well, this is like chasing shadows. The guy is the rarest company for me.
You met my buddy McCann. Recently assigned to the Joint Terrorist Task Force.
Jamal Islamia was founded back in the 70s, but kept a low profile to the Bali nightclub bombings in 02.
I remember that. A couple hundred tourists were killed.
Since then, they've stayed busy. Bombed a hotel in 03, also the Australian Embassy in 04, plus a second wave of attacks in Bali in 2005.
But no attacks on U.S. side.
So far, they haven't been active outside Southeast Asia, mainly in Jakarta and Bali with a growing presence in the Philippines.
Our victim's parents seem certain that Stephen Dashiell was targeted locally. Any intel on South here in the city?
I've never heard any chatter about that. And they're not a priority as far as domestic targets go.
For terrorists, not a priority.
We got our hands full with Al-Qaeda and other splinter groups that are confirmed active in the States.
We have any sources who might know a little more?
Come on, I can't give you my CI.
You know, you're still alone. McFadden's the blonde.
There's a guy who owns an Indonesian restaurant in Queens. If anyone knows what's going on in the community, Wahid does.
You know, Indonesia is the third largest democracy after India and the US. A handful of crazy fundamentalists planted a few bombs in Bali. Now we're public enemy number 3 right after Osama and Kim Jong-il.
Well, we got a share of homegrown crazies right here, too. I wouldn't want you judging all Americans by what the youth belong to.
Apology accepted. And what can I do for you?
Could there be a Jamal Islamia sleeper cell here?
That makes sense.
Why not?
The mission is to create a fundamentalist Islamic state in my country. Attacking America doesn't further that goal.
But what about a fatwa against an intelligence officer?
Now I think someone's lying to detectives. Fatwas have been issued by Middle Eastern imams, but they're just not used in Southeast Asia.
Captain, there's no evidence that Jamal Islamia is involved in Sadia Young's death.
But her murder has all the earmarks of a hit. We don't know where else Stephen Dashiell may have worked or who else he may have pissed off.
And how are we going to find out? The police is phoned to the meeting. If we do, we blow his cover, we go to jail.
Hey, I got something spooky in your school. Stephen Dashill's prepaid cell phone was reloaded with airtime. First thing every Monday morning from the same address as Staten Island.
Fatwa's the sleeper cells to suburbia.
So he's got to live somewhere. Staten Island's boring. Makes for good cover. Modern technology. Even like to be thrown as watching us from outer space. There's no place like it.
Nothing more anonymous than him anymore.
Spy School 101. Hide your plan side.
Mr. Coffee Light and Leisure. That's what this guy always gets. He comes in every morning with a muffin.
Who brings you breakfast?
No, Muffin's his dog. Big, beautiful, golden. I'm not supposed to let pets in here, but she's so awesome.
You know what this guy is? He brings his dog around here every year.
Hey, wait. I know where Muffin lives. Does that help?
Yeah. Where's Muffin?
Hey, Muffin, how you doing? Good, girl.
Yeah, we're looking for Stephen Dashiell.
I'm sorry, there's nobody here by that name.
You sure?
Yeah, pretty sure it was Royce's.
You have to watch.
Honey, can you come here a minute? The detective.
Hi, I'm Malcolm Royce. Really? You're dead ready for Stephen Dashiell.
Malcolm Royce, 30th, was for Ciliento Sherman as convention.
Doesn't sound like an agency cover.
Why from 3 days? Not exactly standard issue for spies for me to do.
I don't think the CIA can fake his background this good. I got Royce's financials, his credit history, even his employee files.
Got a lot of travel.